My name is Jeff Cross. I'm the media director for ISSA, and we're at ISSA Show North America. A lot of energy here, and with me today is
Nadia Fry with Forward Solutions.
And Jay Shearer with Forward Solutions.
welcome both of you. Are you enjoying the show so far?
Yeah, it's been a really good show so far. Lots of good energy.
Yeah, a lot of great energy at this year's show in Chicago.
We're here today not to talk just about the show, but about an accomplishment that you two are going to speak about. So, what is that accomplishment?
So the Forward Solutions team put on a virtual 5K event for all of our employees. Our employees came together and were able to fundraise $28,000 for Cleaning for a Reason.
$28,000, Jay? Crazy, right?
Yeah, but we've got a great team, and when we put the challenge ahead of them, they rose to the occasion. And Cleaning for a Reason is such a great charity, touches so many people's lives. So I think to date, over 45,000 people have been impacted by the services that Cleaning for a Reason provides, and free cleaning of cancer patients' homes. So it's just such a great charity.
So I think we need to show something to prove this actually happened. You want to do that? And there it is. So where can we cash this check?
It would be a big one, big endorsement on the backside.
So how do you feel about this and what it means to those that will be impacted?
You know, we really couldn't be more proud of the Forward Solutions team. Everybody worked very hard to put on a fun event for our employees and really come together to try to raise money for this great organization. I think it's going to make a huge difference in the lives of the people that are going through cancer, and really just take that burden off of them.